All right, so your duets are off, so I had to just make my own video and comment it. But basically, that little black thing you're seeing is actually the chip on our ARGB LEDs. That actually is a controller for each individual LED, where RGB ones, they don't have that little black dot because they're all the same color. You put whatever voltage through on red, green, or blue, and that's what they'll light up. Where ARGB is actually digital, so what it's doing is it's sending a signal from the game to, say, the end of the strip, and it's sending a packet file to each LED. So this one, if you go in the code, it'll tell you what it's going to light up. So each light is addressable. You can light up 1, 2, and 4 if you want, or you can light them all up. You can have this one red, this one green, because it's a digital file. So when they do the coding in the game, they actually have to put in the number LEDs, and they got to say like LED 1, 2, 3, 4, what color they wanted at the time. If you wanted to test them, you can get a little adapter that they use for PCs. And you could use something like this to hook up and just put power to it. And then you'd be able to send the digital signal with this and control them and test the individual strips. But what I think is happening is one of your LEDs, so find as far as it reaches and find the last LED that works. That LED is probably bad and the chip's not forwarding the rest of the digital input to the rest of them. You can check if you take that second string and connect it directly or use a little tester. And that's why. Or the game's not sending the code and it's only sending code for, say, one strip, and then strip 2 doesn't get any signal, so it doesn't light up. And that could be maybe a glitch with the game, maybe re-upload the game firmware software if you can. But try checking the strip, and it's usually going to be the last point. The digital signal made it all the way this way, but then it got stuck at one point, either the connection between or the last LED, because it's digital. So try that and see if that makes a difference. And that's kind of how you can troubleshoot the ARGB LEDs. Because they're digital, it's not just analog like this one.